हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्टडी कैंपस बाय रियाज में आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम लोग लिटरेरी फॉर्म्स एंड टर्म्स के आगे का वीडियोस हम देखेंगे। इसके पहले हमने ये 150 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा दिए थे। अब उसके बाद 151 से आगे हमें देखना है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ एन इनकनेबल और इनकनेबलम। इसका प्लूरल है इनकनेबुला। ठीक है, तो इसका सी ऑप्शन सही है। अ बुक, पम्पलेट और ब्रोडसाइड प्रिंटेड इन यूरोप बिफोर द ईयर 1501। 152 देखिए, अ पीस ऑफ राइटिंग विच प्रेजेंट्स अ कैरेक्टर्स इनर थॉट्स इज नोन एज। तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट, इंटीरियर मोनोलॉग। 153 देखिए, इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ एन farcical, usually sandwiched between the acts of a long play. It is, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, इंटरल्यूड। 154 देखिए, जॉन हेवुड्स फोर पीज पोथेकेरी। 4 पीज मतलब 4 पी हैं। तो पहला क्या है, पोथेकेरी, पाल्मर और पार्डनर एंड पेडलर। तो इस ये क्या हैं। तो ऑप्शन नंबर 154 का देखिए, तो इसका ऑप्शन सही ऑप्शन है इंटरल्यूड, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इंटरल्यूड। 155 देखिए, एब्यूसिव और वेनोमस लैंग्वेज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस ब्लेम और सेंस्योर और बिटर डीप सीटेड इल विल इज। तो ये क्या है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी है, पेनेजाइरिक। 156 देखिए, द रिवर्सल ऑफ द नॉर्मल वर्ड ऑर्डर इन अ सेंटेंस और अ फ्रेज इज नोन एज। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट, इन्वर्जन। 157, it is often published in paperback edition with cheap price. It has all the entertaining stuff. Plot is interesting as it keeps the interest of the reader till the end. It mirrors the contemporary life. No serious issue is touched. It is, option number A is correct, junk fiction. 158, the Da Vinci Code is an instance of junk fiction. It is written by, option number C is correct, Dan Brown. 159, early works which are produced in the authors or artists youth are known as. Option number B is correct, juvenila जुवेनिलिया। 160 देखिए, इट इज़ एन एक्ट और इंस्टेंस ऑफ प्लेसिंग टू एलिमेंट्स क्लोज टुगेदर और साइड बाय साइड. It is often done to compare or contrast the two to show similarities or differences. It is known as, option number D is correct, juxtaposition. Juxtaposition. 161, the example of kitchen sink drama is, option number C is correct, Osborne's look back in anger. 162, Const, Constal, Eroman is an artist's novel. It is a class of Bildung, Bildungsroman or apprenticeship novel. It deals with the youth and development of an individual who becomes or is on the threshold of becoming a painter, musician, or poet. The best example is, option number D is correct, James Joyce's A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. 163, late motif is, तो 163 को देखिए आगे। 163 का ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज सी इज करेक्ट, a recurrent theme throughout a musical or literary composition associated with a particular person, idea, or situation. 164, the term for a humorous verse from form of five anapaestic lines with a rhyme scheme A A B B A is. तो what is it? A number is correct, limerick. 164, The term is particularly used to refer to a group of artists and particularly American expatriate writers living in Paris during the 1920s. Gertrude Stein is credited with coining the term, though it was subsequently popularized by Ernest Hemingway, who used it in the epigraph for his novel The Sun Also Rises. You are all a lost generation. This term is, option number A is correct, lost generation. The Lost Generation. 166. This term is used for a style of fiction that points a realistic view of the modern world while also adding magical or supernatural elements. It is sometimes called fabulism in reference to the conventions of fables, myths, and allegory. This term is, so option number C is correct, magical realism, magical realism. 167 देखिए, a style of writing in which realistic details, events, settings, characters, and dialogues are interwoven with magical, bizarre, fantastic, or supernatural elements. This is the best description of, option number C is correct, magic realism. 168. Franz Ruh is associated with, option number A is correct, magical realism. 169. An overall term for a class of novel written by Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Gunter Grass, and John Fowles is option नंबर 169. इसका ऑप्शन देखिए, 169 का सी इज करेक्ट, मैजिकल रियलिज्म. 170 का देखिए, द रेडिकुलस मिस यूज ऑफ अ वर्ड इज, ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, मालाप्रोपिज्म. 171, the term malapropism is derived from Mrs. Malaprop in answer number A. तो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, Sheridan's The Rivals. 172, malapropism is also a type of, answer number C is correct, solecism. 173, who coined the phrase Marlowe's mighty line? Option number A is correct, Ben Jonson. 174, an elaborate semi-dramatic courtly form of entertainment is known as, option number A is correct, masque. 175, match the following. तो इसमें सबसे पहला एक्ट, वन ऑफ द मेन डिवीजन ऑफ अ प्ले, इट इज करेक्ट. सीन सेकंड, a division with no change of local or abrupt shift of time, it's also correct. Conflict, a struggle between opposing forces. And fourth देखिए, plot, sequences of events in a literary work. All are correct here. Option number A is correct. Match the following. So here first is written ballads, a poem in verse which tells a story. It is correct. Limerick, a humorous verse of 5 lines. It's also correct. Lyric, lyric क्या है? A short poem which expresses emotions and feelings. It's also correct. Couplet, 2 consecutive lines that rhyme. Couplet is correct. It means all are correct. Option number A is correct. 177, match the following. Blank verse. What is blank verse? Unrhymed verse in iambic pentameter. Second is stanza, a division of a poem based on thought or form. Third number, verse, a unit of poetry such as a stanza or तो a line. And fourth, genre, a literary type of form. तो all are correct, सभी लाइन सही हैं. 178, match the following. मैच द फॉलोइंग का देखिए, पहला नंबर डायलॉग, व्हाट्स डायलॉग, अ कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन कैरेक्टर्स। प्रॉप नंबर 2 प्रॉप्स, मूवेबल ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड आर्टिकल्स which are used by actors on stage. Number 3 diction, choice of words for effect. And fourth syntax, a systematic orderly arrangement. तो all are correct, A option is correct. match the following match the following first, father of English criticism, Dryden. फर्स्ट ये करेक्ट है, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश क्रिटिसिज्म हु इज ड्राइडन, करेक्ट। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे, फ्रांसिस बेकन। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे, फ्रांसिस बेकन। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न थिएटर, इब्सन। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न थिएटर, इब्सन इज करेक्ट। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश नॉवेल, फील्डिंग। तो ऑल आर करेक्ट। मैच द फॉलोइंग 180 किचन सिंक ड्रामा, वो एजिट प्रॉप, फर्स्ट इज एजिट प्रॉप, तो सफदर हाशमी। एंड सेकंड इज किचन सिंक ड्रामा, जॉन ऑसबॉर्न। एंड थर्ड थिएटर ऑफ कार्टले, तो एंटोनिन आर्टोड। एंड फोर्थ थिएटर ऑफ ऑपरेस्ड, अगस्टो बाउल। तो ऑल आर करेक्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। नंबर 181 मैच द फॉलोइंग नरेटिव। नरेटिव क्या है? नरेटिव में देखिए, पहला है अ नॉन ड्रामेटिक पोएम विच पोएम, नरेटिव पोएम में अ नॉन ड्रामेटिक पोएम विच टेल्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ और नरेटिव, तो इज करेक्ट। राइम अ 7 लाइन स्टेंजा ऑफ, राइम रॉयल मतलब अ 7 लाइन स्टेंजा of iambic pentameter is correct. Myth, traditional anonymous story, correct. Number next है vignette, a small illustrative sketch, all are correct. 182 तो first question, find the correct matches. First is poetaster, a hack poet and inferior versifier. Number second plagiarism, wrongful appropriation and publication as one's own. Third is mythopoeia, conscious creation of myth. तो all are here correct. And fourth number देखिए, fourth number newspeak, a language invented by George Orwell in his novel 1984. See number 5 seer, one who sees visions of divine things. तो all are correct here. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. माइज द फॉलोइंग, नेक्स्ट इसमें देखिए रिदम, द रिकरेंस ऑफ स्ट्रेस्ड एंड अनस्ट्रेस्ड syllable. Rhyme, repetition of in sounds. Refrain are repeated words, phrase, line or lines in a pattern. Scansion, the analysis of a poem's meter. तो all are correct here. Option number A is correct. Match the following. First is structure, eternal organization of a poem's content, style, the mode of expression in language, mood, the atmosphere suggested by the structure and style of the poem, pace, tempo implied by the structure and style of the poem. तो ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, ऑल आर करेक्ट. मैच द फॉलोइंग. अब इसमें देखिए फर्स्ट सिंबल समटाइम्स which is simultaneously itself and a design of something else. नंबर 2 है टोन, the manner in which an author presents attitude. Imagery, a representation through language, a sensory experience. And fourth persona, assumed speaker of the poem. तो all are correct. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट है 86. It is an extravagant comedy in which action is more salient than characterization. It is sensational and gruesome play. Option D is correct, melodrama. 87 में देखिए, it is a kind of fiction which deals often playful playfully and self-referentially, which the writing of fiction and 87 का आगे देखिए, writing of fiction or its conventions. It is, तो option number C is correct, metafiction. 188, who wrote Metafiction, the theory of practice of self-conscious fiction? Option C is correct, Patricia Wolf. 188, 89 देखिए, 189, William H. Gass coins the term metafiction in his essay Philosophy and the Form of Fiction, 1970. This essay, Philosophy and Form of Fiction, is actually written by Robert Scholes. The same essay appears in William H. Gass' book Fiction and the Figures of Life. He uses the word metafiction to characterize the works of some authors. He feels that in these authors, the form of fiction serves as the material upon which further forms can be imposed. The authors taken by William H. Gass for his essay are, so option number A is correct, George Louis Borges, John Barth and Flann O'Brien. 190, the first person who coined the term metaphysical was, option number A is correct, Drummond. 191, John Donne affects the physics. This is the derogatory remark by Donne by, option number C is correct, John Dryden. Next, 192, a line of verse that has 6 iambic feet or 12 syllable iambic lines is known as, option number A is correct, Alexandrine. 193, a line consisting of 10 syllable is known as, option number A is correct, decasyllabic. 194, a defective foot is when a metrical foot, तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर देखिए, तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, लाइक वन और मोर अनस्ट्रेस्ड syllable. 195, a 14-year which is made of 14 syllables consists, option number B is correct, 7 iambic feet. 196, an iambus consists of, option number A is correct, one unaccented short syllable followed by an accented long one. 197, an iambic each foot is called, option number A is correct, iambus. 198, witty dialogue, satire, biting, humor, criticism of life, etc. are some characteristics of a pure comedy, which is also known as high comedy, who used the term high comedy for the first time for his essay on the idea of comedy and the uses of the comic spirit. Option number B is correct, George Meredith. 199, one of the most flexible meters, pentameter, is 5-foot line. It was introduced by in the century and has since then become the commonest of the meters in English poetry. Fill in the blanks. Option number A is correct. तो Geoffrey by Geoffrey है, Geoffrey Chaucer, and in the 14th century. It was introduced by Geoffrey Chaucer and in the century, which century? 14th century. 200, क्वेश्चन देखिए, 200, a line of verse that has 5 feet is, option number A is correct, pentameter. तो यहाँ तक 200 क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने सॉल्व कर लिए हैं. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर 200 MCQs देखे. अब इसके आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगला. तो थैंक यू.